Thanks for joining. I'm Leo, and in this lesson, we're going to create some digital art and make an NFT. What's an NFT? NFTs are digital collectibles. You can upload a photograph, a song, or some digital art. People on Tezos create, collect, or trade other people's NFTs. Object.com is the largest NFT marketplace on Tezos. Now, before we create our NFT, we need to make our digital art. Log into bing.com/create with your Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you can create one, it's free. Alright, so let's start making some digital art. So if you can't think of anything like I have not been able to think of, just click on Surprise Me and it will come up with a random text prompt. And let's click Create. It takes about 10 to 20 seconds. So we actually need to create at least two images. One image for the collection image, which is like the folder for the NFTs. And we need to create an image for the NFTs themselves. So you can create more than two, but we just need one for the collection and at least one for the NFT. Pick one you like and click on download. Now we're in Object and we want to connect our Tezos wallet. So click Sync, Temple, Connect Now. And we're just waiting for the Temple wallet to come up. Here we go. Type in the password for your wallet and sign the message. Successfully signed payload. So now you can see we've got a little icon up here in the top right corner. We can now click Create. Create a new collection. Just click on here. And let's go with this one. And name it Leo's AI Digital Art Collection. And Leo's AI generated digital art. Create. It costs 1 Tezos, just under 1 Tezos, as a storage fee. And that's just when you're creating the collection. That's a one-time cost for each collection that you create. And the NFTs are usually much cheaper than that. And there's the picture for the collection. Now let's create an NFT. So click up here, go create. Now under token, okay, it hasn't recognized that we have a collection yet, so I'll just refresh. And there we go. Sometimes it just takes a little bit for it to catch up with the blockchain. So I'll upload. I'm gonna go with this picture of the robot. I'll call it robot and say friendly looking robot. And you can see it's in. Okay, so I've managed to create 2 art collections. Anyway, that's not such a big deal. I can just I can change the name of one of the collections later, so I can have a separate collection of NFTs. And I'm going to set the number of editions as, I'm just going to create 1 edition. So only one person will be able to buy this NFT. And I can set a royalty so that every time it gets traded, 10% goes to me. And scroll all the way down and just click continue to mint the NFT. Click mint and I click confirm. It costs 9 cents US. It's about 12 or 13 cents Australian. So now we have created our first NFT. Token created successfully. So we should be able to click up here, click on our profile, and under our created tab, just click refresh up here. Might take a minute or two for it to show up. And there it is, our first NFT. Now, let's click on it, because at this point we've just created the NFT, but we haven't done any other actions. So click on actions, and then we can list it for sale. So remember, we've only got one of these NFTs because I only made one edition. So I'm going to list that one edition, and I'm going to list it for 5 Tezos. List. Confirm the operation with the wallet. It costs 17 cents. So I'll click confirm. Successfully submitted operation. So now I'll just sign out of my wallet. So now we're looking at the NFT as if we were looking at it as somebody just on the public facing side. So we can click on actions and people can offer an amount of Tezos. If they're logged in as their wallet, then they'll be able to buy it for 5 Tezos. So congratulations, we've created some artwork and minted an NFT on the Tezos blockchain.